Hello students, another interesting question. Give equation of two lines on the same plane which are intersecting at a point. Assume this is a point 2, 3. Find the equation of these two lines. How to write two lines which passing through a same point? How to write? In exam you can expect 2 points, 2 lines or 3 lines. More than 2 lines you can expect in section D, 2 lines you can expect in section B, 2 mark question. Very simple technique, very simple. You can easily get simple linear equation, add both the numbers. So 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So the first equation is x plus y equal to 5. Okay, add both the equation x plus y equal to 5. Subtract both the numbers, add both the coordinates, x plus y equal to 5. Substitute x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. That is one of the equation which passing through 2, 3. Another simple equation, subtract both. For example, x minus, this is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. X minus y equal to, here it is 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. Okay. If you want to write, you can write n number of equation, infinite number of equation. Reason is this is a linear equation in 2 variable but only one equation, and hence it has infinitely many straight line passing through this point. Okay, infinitely many straight line passing through this point. So don't forget this technique. Add both the equation, that is one of the equation, and subtract both the equation, another equation. Okay, thank you.